Is your painting space a cluttered mess? Let's fix that. Today we're talking about how to organize and protect your painting supplies. A little planning can help your materials last longer, work better, and save you from frustration during your painting sessions. Welcome back to Painting Best Practices. Whether you paint in a dedicated studio or just in a corner of a room, how you store your materials makes a big difference. Let's start with paint tubes. Store them capped down in a tube rack or any setup that keeps them vertical. This helps prevent separated oil from collecting near the cap, which can then lead to leaking and make the paint harder to work with. Next, solvents and mediums. Always keep them in clearly labeled containers. Glass or metal is best, and store them separately from paints. Use a cabinet or a drawer that's cool, dry, and away from any heat source or sunlight. Avoid places like garages or attics where temperature swings can cause materials to spoil or separate more quickly. Heat and light can cause materials to degrade, evaporate, or even harden prematurely. Make sure lids and caps are always tight. And for added safety, use secondary containment like a tray or box to catch spills or leaks. Brushes and tools, whether they're freshly cleaned or resting mid-session, keep them dry and off any surfaces that collect dust, solvent residue, or paint drips. Use brush holders, magnetic strips, or racks that allow them to air dry while staying clean and accessible. Most painting supplies are made from organic ingredients that degrade over time, especially when exposed to heat, light, or humidity. Even worse, they can be affected by microbes, fungi, or mold. So while it might be tempting to buy materials in bulk to save money, it often leads to waste in the long run, like that jar of medium that skinned over before you could even use half of it. Instead, purchase only what you expect to use in a reasonable time frame. 1 to 2 months for varnishes, 3 to 6 months for mediums, and within a year for paints. This helps you avoid using spoiled mediums or dried up paints. To stay on top of your inventory, rotate your stock. Use older supplies first and label everything with the purchase or mix date. Just a small piece of tape and a marker will do. Set a reminder to check your inventory every few months so nothing gets forgotten or goes bad. A tidy space isn't just satisfying, it keeps your materials in top condition and lets you focus on what matters, painting. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and hit that subscribe button. Got questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.